Hi guys, this is where we finished in the last video in Task20N. And now in Task20N is another section of the document we're using as a reference, which is section 24, 20.4, is a manipulate data. Selecting a subset of data means getting Excel to search through data held in a spreadsheet to extract only rows where the data matches your search criteria. Then 20.4.1 is search using text filters. Okay, so in task 20N, say, open the file that you save in task 20M. Select from all data only the employees who are currently working on jobs for Bean account. Okay, so this super easy task. I can click on here because this is what information I want to select is. Okay, and then sort and filter and use filters. From here, I can see that I can select in these three columns, but in reality, I only need this one, and I want to show only the Bean account data. So I'm going to untick the select all and tick only the Bean account, clicking OK, and there you go. Double click to make sure I can see all the data. Only Bean account data is being displayed. So actually the task is finished. And I will see you in the next video.